Hello, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I will unpack and assemble the X1S Studio Bundle from SE Electronics. So here it is, the SE Electronics X1S Studio Bundle. I'm kind of hiding behind it. Let's take a look at this. Let's open this up. Let's assemble this and give it a test. It's your best all-in-one package if you want to get going, recording your voice straight away. And the good news is it comes with a wonderful reflection filter, which if you're working in an echoey room, such as this one that I'm in right now, it can help reduce those echo bounce backs. So let's unpack and let's get it set up. And here it is, the SE Electronics X1 microphone, part of the S Studio Bundle from SE Electronics. It's got the pop filter shield, it's got the microphone itself inside the shock mount, and even the XLR cable comes with it. So everything you need to get going, plus this beautiful Reflexion filter. Let's put it to the test and see how it sounds in this room. Testing the SE X1S Studio Bundle with pop filter applied in an echoey room. Music Radio Creative testing the SE X1 microphone in an echoey room. Testing the SE X1 in a sound-treated room. Music Radio Creative testing the SE X1 in a sound-treated room. So there you go, a pretty good bundle for getting started recording voices, voiceovers, vocals, podcasting in a room with lots of echo. The SE Electronics X1S Studio Bundle gives you everything you need to get going. You just need to get the audio interface to plug it into your computer and you're away. What do you think about this, Mike? Let me know in the comments to this video and get involved in the Summer of Sound Awesome Audio Gear giveaway for a chance to win this exact model. Go to mrc.fm/giveaway. That is mrc.fm/giveaway.